Hello everybody, today we're going to learn about geometric terms for points, lines, and planes. This is a bit of a review from what we did the other day. So first, let's go through some definitions. We have a point. Okay, a point is an exact location in space. So if this board was a plane and I had a point there, and I labeled it, this could be point G. Now, a line is a straight path of points that goes on and on in two directions. So it just keeps going on. Next, we have a plane. If you remember, I talked about like the whiteboard being a plane. It's an endless flat surface. Next is parallel lines. And parallel lines are two lines that never intersect. They go on forever without ever crossing each other. Next, we have intersecting lines. And intersecting lines are lines that pass through at the same point. And in perpendicular lines are special intersecting lines that form square corners or right angles. So now let's go through some examples. So I already showed you a point here. Now for a line would look something like this. In this line, if I was going to identify it, I would say line CE. And that's showing me that it's a line that goes on forever. Now a plane, like we said, is just the endless flat surface, two-dimensional. Parallel lines are lines that never intersect. Intersecting lines are lines that cross at a point. Now perpendicular lines are intersecting lines that cross and create right angles. Now let's look at this diagram here. If I was going to identify some lines here, one line I might identify is QT. And I'll put this symbol here to showing that it's a line that goes on forever and ever. Or I could say PR. And again, I'm going to put an arrow. A line with arrows on each side showing that I'm talking about a line. Or another line is SU. So those are three lines you could identify here. If I asked you to identify two perpendicular lines, you would notice right here, these lines are perpendicular. They cross at a 90-degree angle. So I would write PR and QT. Those are a pair of lines that are perpendicular. Now it's your turn to try it. Good luck, and if you need to look at the definitions again, it's in our resources section of Google Classroom.